Hi guys, welcome back to another video. T Kids Design here. If you're new, welcome. Make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and you ring the bell for notifications. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to embroider a Baby Burp cloth on the Ricoma MT-1501. I recently got an Etsy sale and I will be using this machine for the first time, so I just wanted to take you guys along with me. We're going to be using for this project the letter D hoop. I have the Gerber Baby Burp cloth that you can find at any local Walmart, and on the back we have the tearaway stabilizer, and we're also going to be using water soluble on top just to make sure that the stitches don't sink into the burp cloth. Let's just take the hoop over to the machine and let's get started. All right guys, so before we hoop the hoop on the machine, I just wanted to show you guys a couple things real quick. Once you hoop whatever it is that you're going to be hooping on the hoop, you want to make sure that the screws, there's some screws under here, you have to make sure that they're facing down. I don't know if you can see these two screws right here, so they have to be facing down. When you hoop it, you have to make sure that this metal piece, it's facing you, so it's going to be out, and then this little tab here is going to be facing that way, and then you always have to make sure that this one is facing inside of the machine. All right, so we're going to go and hoop this. This is I'm super excited guys, because this is going to be something new. This is a major upgrade. I did start with a PE 800, which is a great machine for starters, but I figured it was time to upgrade. So there it is. It's already hooped and ready to go. All right guys, so once you have the hoop in place, you're going to come over to your screen. As you can see, I already have my design already uploaded here, and now we just pretty much have to go ahead and set the colors. And for that, you're going to go to this little icon here with the 3 spools, and then there you go. You have 15 colors that you can switch and adjust. So we're going to go ahead and just put the colors where they belong. I have printed this sheet out with the design here that I will be creating, and it's awesome because in the back it gives me all the colors and the orders that they're going to be stitching out. So this is the order that I'm going to put the colors in the machine. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, so now the colors are set and everything. We're just going to go ahead and hit the trace button to make sure the design is going to stitch wherever we want it to. All right, I think that's good. We're ready to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit start and let the magic begin. All right guys, so I finally finished the Baby Burp cloth. This is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. The stitches look pretty nice and tight. We had no problems with the tension. Overall, I'm really happy with the outcome. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish just to the fabric at the bottom. If you guys are interested on seeing how I create these step by step, make sure that you check out my previous video. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. That's it for today, guys. So make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and you ring the bell for notifications. Bye.